Hello and welcome back. We hope you're enjoying your home search on instantrenters.com. At Instant Renters, we work hard to make the rental process simple, stress-free, and straightforward. Here's how it works. When you're searching on instantrenters.com, you'll see hundreds if not thousands of homes. And we can also customize a search for you and send you homes for you to pick. Once you have chosen some homes to see, let us know. We'll take you out and tour the homes. Pretty simple. Once you have identified the home you'd like to rent, the process is super simple. In the next videos, we'll walk through the entire process. But basically, you're going to complete an application, we're going to submit your offer, and you're going to sign the lease. After you get the lease signed, we're going to submit what they call earnest money. That is the money that holds the property until you're ready to move in, and that will become part of the security deposit. Our goal is to make the whole process smooth and stress-free as possible so you can focus on moving into your new home with confidence. And remember, if you ever have any questions, need any help, just let us know. We're here to guide you every step of the way.